Hello, I'm Erika Rodriguez, and this is my class for the metaphors. So the metaphor that is selects is or washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life. So in this case, the metaphor is referring that the or transport to your worlds, to other vision of the life. So they change your life, they transport to another vision of the life. You have other ways for love the art. Mm. And this metaphor is relatively narrative tense because when I was in high school in 10th grade, um, we had a teacher that taught techniques of painting. I really love how they taught in this moment because all the time said that he said that the life and the art are connected. That changes the world. But someday this teacher came back to school, and I'm really upset for that. In the moment, I was upset for that. So I don't like that change this teacher because I really like and I really appreciate the this class of the art. And well, with the time, in some day, I saw this teacher walk in the street, and I approached him and I asked why I had gone to school, what I had gone to school. The teacher told me that they changed uh, the life, mm, like the art that I really appreciate the best classes, but will continue. Yes. And when I think in this kind of work, I decided to be a teacher for this teacher because the way that we taught it's good. It's not even for the art. It's the way that changed the life of the students. Yeah, some cases many teachers only went to school for teach something, but it's not only teach. It's even educated. It even transformed the life of the students. So this is a little review about minority themes. It's not really long, but the general idea in this is use the past simple continuous and past perfect. So for me, even the past perfect are the most difficult because you need in another ways to write. So but well, this is minority themes and this is my metaphor. I hope that will like this. So in this case, I cannot work alone because the group that I had have will finish the homework before I finish my homework. So I decided to be alone because of the time. So thanks, and I hope that you like it.